Did you know that certain vole species sing ultrasonic love songs to their partners that are completely silent to the human ear? Did you know a vole's metabolism is so fast that it must eat nearly its own body weight in food every single day just to stay alive? Did you know that voles are capable of pulse breeding, where a single pair can theoretically produce over 100 descendants in one season? Did you know these creatures use ultraviolet light trails, invisible to humans, to mark their paths and communicate with other voles? Voles are essential for the survival of the endangered black-footed ferret, which relies almost exclusively on small rodents for food. In some cultures, the presence of many voles was historically seen as a sign of a coming harsh winter. The southern bog lemming is actually a member of the vole family, despite its name, and lives in wet, marshy areas. The skull of a vole is designed to be strong but lightweight, protecting the brain during burrowing. Voles are capable of digging through snow at a rate of several feet per hour to create their winter shelters. The European snow vole lives at high altitudes and is specially adapted to survive in rocky, alpine environments with little vegetation. Voles often use the abandoned burrows of other animals, such as moles or shrews, to save energy on digging. The fur of a vole is very dense, providing excellent insulation against both heat and cold. Voles are known to be keystone species in many environments because their presence dictates the health of the entire food web. The California vole is a common resident of the West Coast, often found in salt marshes and grasslands. Voles have a unique way of eating grass, often pulling a single blade into their burrow to consume it in safety. The sense of touch is highly developed in voles, particularly in their paws and around their muzzles. Voles are generally non-aggressive toward humans, but they will defend their nests vigorously against other small intruders. The Japanese field vole is an important species in the grasslands of Japan, fulfilling a similar role to the North American meadow vole. Voles are often used in laboratories to study the effects of environmental changes on wildlife populations. The tail of a vole is rarely more than twice the length of its hind foot, which is a key way to tell it apart from a mouse. Voles are known to be ecosystem engineers because they physically change the landscape through their tunnels and runways. The pine vole has smaller eyes than other voles, an adaptation to its almost exclusively subterranean lifestyle. Voles are susceptible to many of the same diseases as other rodents, but they rarely pass these on to humans. The vocalizations of baby voles are often ultrasonic, intended to call their mother back to the nest without alerting predators. Voles have a very high metabolic rate, which means they must stay hydrated by eating succulent plants or drinking dew. The montane vole is found in the high meadows of the Rocky Mountains and is known for its large fluctuations in population. Voles are active throughout the entire 24-hour cycle, but they tend to have peaks of activity at dawn and dusk. The skull of a vole features a specialized zygomatic arch that supports the strong jaw muscles needed for constant chewing. Voles are very sensitive to habitat fragmentation, as they need large, connected areas of grass to thrive. The Brand's vole of Mongolia lives in massive colonies that can transform the appearance of the steppe. Voles have a short, blunt snout, which gives them a chubbier appearance compared to the pointed nose of a mouse. The social behavior of voles is heavily influenced by the availability of resources. In times of plenty, they are more social. Voles use their scent glands, located on their flanks or near their tails, to mark their territory and signal to others. The insulation of a vole's nest is often made from finely shredded grass, moss, and even animal fur. Voles are known to cache or hide seeds in the soil, and many of these seeds later sprout, helping to plant new vegetation. The Mediterranean pine vole is adapted to the dry, sandy soils of southern Europe. Voles are surprisingly fast runners for their size, capable of darting into cover in the blink of an eye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing vole facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fact in the comments. Stay tuned for more incredible wildlife stories, and click the next video to continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.